Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add interactive elements to Google Slides. So adding interactive elements to Google Slides can make your presentations more engaging and dynamic. And to this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. First, you can add interactive links to your slides so it can guide audience to specific slides, websites, or resources. So you can just select the text or image or shape that you want to hyperlink. For example, I'm going to select this text right here, and now you can just right click on it and then choose link, this one, or you can also use a control plus K. Now you can just enter the URL for an external link or choose slides in this presentation to link to a specific slide. For example, I'm going to just go to the next slide and it will be linked just like this. Whenever I click on this, it will go to the next slide or the link that you want to. And you can also use actions button. Here, action button allows users to navigate between slides or trigger specific actions. You can go to the insert menu at the top and then select shape. And in here, you can just choose a shape and place it on your slide. For example, I'm going to go with arrow. This one, you can draw the shape just like this. And then you can just right click on the shape and tap on link. Here, for example, you can link to a specific slide, an external URL, or the next slide, or previous slide. So I'm going to go with next slide. So whenever I click on this, it will redirect me to the next slide or to the link that you want. You can also embed videos in your slides, can enhance interactive by providing an additional content. You can go to insert and then find video. Here you can choose the option, you can go with YouTube or you can search or paste a YouTube link in here. Or you can also paste the link to a video file or select a video save on your Google Drive. So just choose which one. For example, I'm going to go with this one. You can tap on insert. Now you can just adjust the size and position of the video in the slide. Like this, for example. And then you can use the format options panel to configure the playback settings. You can hear whether the video will be played on click automatically or manually. You can also adjust the audio. If you want to mute it, just check this one right here. And if you want to, you can also add interactive polls or quizzes on your slides. You can use third-party tools like Google Forms, Mentimeter, or Poll everywhere to embed polls or quizzes. You can also use animations triggers. So animations can make elements appear interactively based on your user actions. So you can just select the object that you want to animate. Let's say I want to animate this image right here, and now you can go to insert and choose animations. Now you can just find the animations that you want for the image. Here you can go with on click. For example, I'm going to go with fly in from the bottom, on click after previous, or with previous. So I'm going to go with on click. You can just play on it and see the result. Okay, so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.